YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. Guys, I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. I cannot do it without you. Hit that subscribe button. It helps me out. Let's talk about some crypto. As you guys can see, total market cap coming in at a 2.9. Fear Greed Index coming in at a 53. And the market looking volatile as heck. As you guys can see, Bitcoin coming in at a 93.4. Is Bitcoin going to bust a move pretty soon? Are we going to see some big Bitcoin movement? You can see a lot of these other coins starting to move, including Trump and Melania coin. Wow, interesting. Interesting. Is this a sign that we are headed back? I know one coin that is going to be a main topic of discussion. It has to be talked about, guys. We got to talk about some ETH today. As you guys can see, 80% of people bullish on ETH over here. 20% of people bearish. 1.8 million followers and 1.2 million people have voted on this poll. Are you bearish? Are you bullish? Let me know right now in the comment section. ETH, as you guys can see, coming in at number 2 with 3 million people watching this. This is an absolute titan, right? Is ETH going to hold this number 2 spot? That is the question. Now, we do know that ETH has been lacking volume for most of the year. As you guys can see, still down 44% on the year, but starting to see a breakout. As a matter of fact, this is the best breakout that we've seen since we were back over here way back in March, like early March. So again, are we going to see a breakout? And have we seen the bottom of Bitcoin? Again, Bitcoin now coming in the 90K range, now all the way up at like 93, close to 94. Are we going to see a $100,000 Bitcoin pretty soon? And if we do see a $100,000 Bitcoin, guys, what is that going to do to the rest of the market? Let's see what some of these other people are saying in the comment section. As you guys can see, some people saying ETH is the best coin ever. Some people saying, just talk about some other coins. Some people saying that they're bearish. Some people saying, not so bearish, or bearish, bullish. They're all over the place, guys. All over the place with this one. But as you guys can see, we are sitting on some key levels right now of resistance. And it's a question right now of, can Ethereum see a breakout soon, or are we going to see yet another rejection, right? Are we going to see another rejection on ETH? As you guys can see, holding this support on the 4, and then on our 3 also, just been riding sideways, but still touching this top Keltner channel. We could really bounce off this, guys. We can really possibly see a big ETH bounce off this, but we're going to have to break above some of these other levels, right? This really this 180, 1815 around there. We start seeing some break above that. I really like to see this thing really get above some of these resistance levels up here that we've tested already in the past. But if we can just continue going up on this trend, I would also be pretty satisfied. Now, we do know that usually real price action happens on a Thursday. Today is Wednesday, right? And we're seeing some bullish activity, right? We've seen possible double bottom here, breaking up to the upside. And again, are we creating another bull flag on ETH? Can we continue on with this bull rally? It kept butting up again on some key resistance pretty soon. Can ETH see a big breakout? If it breaks above this level, guys, I would expect ETH to have a pretty significant breakout, possibly even up to this $2,000 range up here. And if that happens, guys, I don't even know the amount of FOMO. I mean, how long has ETH been suppressed this cycle? As you guys can see, still down 44%, and right now coming in at 1,800. Now, my price prediction for this was $1,200, but that, I guess, was just a dream that I had, because again, Ethereum looking like, possibly starting to pick back up in volume. I would have really loved to buy this at between 11 and 12, because I am bullish on Ethereum. Been bullish on 2025 the entire time. I was really hoping that we would see more of a recovery happen towards like June, July. I thought I'd have more time to accumulate these things. But again, I'm wondering, are we going to start pumping now? Like, is time up, bro? Is time up? Is like these are final stages of accumulation? You guys could see we're already ticking all the way back to this neutral in the greed zone. So what does this mean for the market, guys? Are we back, fully back, or are we just like in limbo right now? Are we going to see a rejection off 94? In my opinion, we've already seen a confirmation. I told you guys that I was waiting for that 89 confirmation. I'm feeling good on this price. The fact that we're starting to break back up is definitely a good thing. We can always break back down, and that's the reality of it. But you guys could see we really you know, we really haven't been down that long compared to like how fast we've been growing back on Bitcoin. It's been really fast, hasn't it? It's been really, really fast. It's really just been about a week, guys, believe it or not. Since Bitcoin was down here, it was this was like what, the 15th, 16th, something like this. The 8th, I guess. All right. Is it the 8th? Yeah, the 8th. Okay, so it was the 8th, and today's the 23rd. So it was like a couple weeks, guys. This is really not a long time. And that's what I was telling you guys, you know, sometimes these things feel longer than they are. But again, look, maybe it's something similar to this too. Like we had this pullback in March, and similar to like we had here, and then we did have like a lot of up and down. And it was this way all the way until what's it called? All the way until like August, until we saw a real pump. So do you guys think that this is like an artificial pump right here? Or do you guys think that this is some real price action? Do you guys think that we're really about to break above 100,000 on Bitcoin? And if that happens, guys, what the heck is going to happen to Ethereum? Are we going to see Ethereum hit some crazy highs this cycle? I mean, a lot of people were saying $10,000 Ethereum was possible last cycle. It didn't happen. Is it going to happen this time? Are we finally going to see Ethereum hit 10,000? I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below. Again, if this is your first time plugging into this channel, also make sure you check out our Patreon. Got a ton of stuff in there, including the Telegram, where I am in that Telegram every single day. A lot of 6- and 7-figure cryptocurrency holders that you can connect with and talk to, as well as we got a lot of trading in there and news. So again, if you haven't yet tapped out into the Patreon, it's a great resource. I created it for you guys. I want to see you win, guys. I want to see you win. So plug into that, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.